السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته. Welcome, brothers and sisters, my channel Faisal Azib. I hope that you are well. So today we start a new topic, always with Lunda expression. But before this, I will make some summary what I have shown you before. So remember, in previous video, I have talked about what is Lunda expression, how to use it, what is functional interface, and how to use it, and also how to use notation of functional interface. Also, I have made some example how to invoke lambda expression using functional interface. Okay? In this topic, I will show you how to use lambda expression with collection. It's very important because collection is a concept that is very used in Java. Okay? So I will start for beginners. Maybe he don't know what is collection. I will not enter into detail. I will just make simple basic information about collection. Okay? So what is collection? Collection is a group of elements, of items that was regrouped in one single item. Okay, for example, I have this pen. Maybe I have a lot of pen. A lot of pen that will be regrouped in one element. Okay? For example, group of phone, group of cars, what you want. Group of clothes, shoes, what you want. Okay? In Java, we call them an object, a group of objects that is grouped in just one items. That is collection. In Java, we have a lot of concepts about collection. We have list, okay? We have map, and also we have set, okay? So I will show you always basic information about these three concepts to understand, because I think it's very important. I have make it. If you see the Android course, I have talked about this, but I will do it again. Okay, maybe you will understand it very quick. So we just revision about these three concepts. So just start with the list. These three concepts, list, set, and maps, are interface. All of them are the interface. Okay, it's very important to know this. So let's start with the list. What is a list? List is the group of objects that contain this group, and respect two things, two rules. When you insert the object in the list, when you add your object to this list, the order must be preserved. The insertion order must be preserved, is the first thing. And also, if you insert duplicate object, you can do it. It's allowed. Okay? So it allows duplication of object. For the list interface, we have different implementation. Okay, different implementation. For example, we have array list. Also, we have linked list. We have also vector. And for vector, we have also another implementation. It is snake or stake. So this is a list. And now, how to create a list is very easy. I will create class with the main method. I will declare interface list with a type, generic type. Here, I recommend to use always generic type. So the generic type of a list here is string of element. For example, names. I will just insert the names, the type string of this element. Okay? So list of type string, I call him list, equal new one implementation of list. I will use array list. And I will begin to add the element to the list. So to do this, I will call the method add. Okay, so list.add, first name is Faisal, or list of friends, my friends. I will add another one, list.add list.add Azzuddin, list.add Abdsalam, and list.add Amin again. Okay? So now if I make system.out.println of the list, what I got all these elements with the same order. Faisal, Amin, Azzuddin, Abdeslam, and Amin again. That's what I got. Okay? I will not make the implementation in the computer because it's basic. Okay? I have done it before in the previous video. In the Android course, I have said it's basic in Java. You can do it. It is not about Java 8. It is just a vision about how to use the concept of the list, of the collection in Java. So that is the first thing. Now I will talk about the second concept of collection. It is a set. Set, yes. What is set? Set is a collection interface that respects two things, two rules. Okay, you will see the difference between list and set. Set, when you assert a number or object to your collection set, the same thing. The order must be preserved of the insertion. It's the same thing with the list. But duplicate element or object isn't allowed here. Okay? For example, you have a list of email. You want to make a campaign marketing of your email. So you want to just send email for your friends or for your what you want. Okay. So here you have a list of email, and you add them to the list to the set, and you don't want to send the email for the same person 2 times or 3 times. Okay, the same email. So here you will use the set collection. Okay, you will insert your email one by one. If you have, maybe you will make an error, you can do it. You added the same email in your set collection, you will see it will not appear. Okay, it will be only one time, because duplication of object isn't allowed in the set collection. Okay, what we have type of implementation. You have different implementation. For example, we have a hash set and also a tree set, etc., etc., etc. So to do an example of implementation of the set collection, I will use the hash set class. So I create the same thing, the main method, make the class, and I will declare the set with unique type string. I will just add the name as the previous thing, not email, not saying all the email, but I will just add all the same thing with email. So here I will make the set with type string. Okay, I call it s equal new hash set implementation, one of the implementation of the set collection interface, and with type string, the same thing. After this, I will add different things. So same thing, s.added Faisal, s.added Amin, s.added Azzuddin, s.added Rida, and s.added Amin. Now when we make system.out.println of the set collection, what I get? I get only Faisal, Amin, Azzuddin, Rida, and Abdeslam. And I don't have Amin again. I don't have it. Okay? You can add it, but it is not allowed, as I have said before. Okay? So we see it only one time. The duplicate number. That's the difference. Okay? I hope that is you have understand this concept of list and set. That's the difference between them is duplicate element. The first one you can use them, the second one you can use them, but the common rules is the order of insertion of element must be preserved. It's the same thing for both. Okay? I think in the next video, inshallah, I will talk about a map collection, or with the same thing with basic concept, before to start a new thing. Okay? So see you inshallah next video. I tell you goodbye. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.